Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about this section, your posting. Your posting means a logged user can see its all posting and can view, can edit, can delete. For that reason I have a template for this one, your posting. So this is just like a all user template, but any user will be able to see its title, description, picture, content, but short text content. And then action can view, can edit, can delete its post. So I will get this template in VS Code and just copy, create new file, paste here, and then in exam, sorry, in dashboard, your posting.php, and then remove this one. When a user click on this sidebar link, that is your posting, remove this hash symbol, your posting page should open .php. When this refresh one, your posting, and also open this one, you know that as we create new page, we remove this sidebar and use a include method. PHP include and then sidebar.php of this one, and also I remove top bar because I have separate classes, sorry, separated file for top bar and sidebar, so it is very easy to manage if they are separate files. Just rename this one top bar. Now what I have to do, just refresh this one, each and everything is okay, but I have to make a connection for this file with the database. Just copy this one at the top, each and everything is okay, profile, each and everything is okay. Now I have to access all the post from database table, but only that post will display here of the logged user posting. So what I have to do, your posting means logged user posting. After this tr, this is dummy data, so after this tr I have to write code for PHP. I have to find first of all which user is logged. So you know that using session variable I can find which user is logged, underscore id, it's key. This session variable is created when I create login functionality. So this is a session for underscore id, its key, and store in a id variable. I want to find which user is logged, echo and id. I want to check which user is logged. Refresh this one, 4. This is the 4 all user, and then 4. So this user is logged one. So what I have to do next, I want to access its all information, or I did not need its information, but I need its posting. So I have a code. So this is a select query. I want to say that select all from all post where p underscore user. This is a p underscore user. This is a all post table in database p underscore user, where p underscore user should be able to log user id. So it will fetch all the posts from database table of logged user posts. That query is stored in this variable. Then run this query using MySQLi underscore query method and return multiple objects. Then what I have to do, I have to run a while loop and convert that objects into associative array, pass that objects, and then store that array into a row variable. Then using row, I have to access all the information, all the column value from database table. So all the information is pasted here. P underscore id, title, description, each and everything is same. Many times I have discussed this one. Now didn't need to explain. If you have any confusion, you can discuss with me. Just remove its ending curly braces and close at the here at the end of this dr php and end that curly braces, because I want to repeat this row. So next what you have to do, just I have to copy this title and remove this dummy title, and in PHP code echo and paste that title. Then what I do, description, just description, and image, just for image, this image, and then copy this PHP code and just p underscore pic, and this image is stored in img folder but post underscore img folder, but this folder is located outside from this current location. That is why I used a double dot and a backslash, simple slash, not a backslash. Now I have display here content, so p underscore content. Just refresh this one, all the posting displaying here, but issue is that all the description is displaying here and content also displaying. I want to display number of character, number of words should display in content. For that reason, what I have to use, I have to use a substring method. This is a substring method, as I use an index.php page. Just I have to use here echo substring, and then remove this one and just copy. This is a p underscore content. So 0 means starting point, 20 means ending point. Actually these are the index number. Refresh this one, number of character displaying in a content. Same thing I have to copy and paste for description, p underscore description. Refresh this one. Now each and everything is okay. Now I have to work on this icon. When click on this eye, so it should display a single blog post page, and all the information will display for this one home page. When you click on this read more, so this page I want to display, I want to get when you click on this icon. So in index.php page, you can see that when user click on read more, user move to this link. This is a page and this is a get variable and this is its value. Copy your posting, and this is the delete. This is the icon. Remove this delete class, remove this one, and user will remove when you click on this icon, icon, it should move to this page, but this page location and your posting location is same, then this is not need to provide a dashboard folder location. So post underscore id is the get variable and its value is just remove also here, and its value should be post id. This is a post id. Copy and then paste here. Now just for test, something missing. Okay, yes, tag for PHP. Now refresh this one. When I click this its ID is 5, its ID 6. When click this one, you can see that single post is displaying here. Single blog post page is displaying here. Now I have to provide link for this create post button. For that reason, what I have to do, create, this is a button, create post. Just remove, there is no link for this one. Just I have to provide link for this page. This is a page, create underscore post. I want to send user to this page, create underscore post .php. Refresh this one. When you click on this one, create underscore post page is displaying here. User can publish post, and then for example HTML class, and then it should redirect to all posting page. Now at all posting, your posting page, and then choose image and then post, publish. You can see that it will redirect to your underscore posting page. Now I have to work on this edit icon and delete icon. So in the next class we have discussed about how a user can edit its post and delete its post.